Alright everybody, I'd like to share this with everybody. I didn't expect this till Thursday, which would be July 2nd. It came in the mail today, which is June 30th. Thumbs up to Cult TV Man from Cult TV Man's website. And this is from the TV series Discovery. And I figured I'd at least share with everybody that I did get the new Enterprise, 18 inches long, very cool. It's 1/1000 scale. It's got some detail on the side. I'm not going to do a kit review or build this anytime soon, but I figured I'd share this with everybody. Here, back side of it, 75 parts. Very cool. I know they have a light kit out. He has it on his website, but I'm not going to get that right now. Like I said, there's a few people online already built this and did kit reviews, so I'm not going to open this up. I figured I'd share it with everybody. It looks really cool. I like the look of it. So I figured I'd share this with everybody. The new Enterprise from the TV series Discovery. So I'm going to go ahead and post this up on my YouTube channel today. Everybody have a good 4th of July weekend coming up. And I'll talk with everybody later.